Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is your Reshma here, and today this video is all about Pride Month makeup. So I've created this look using Ethna by You Can Be. So keep watching the video. So first of all, we will be doing the CTM, and I'm using this cleanser from Ayur. Just quickly cleanse the face, and then I'm using this toner from Joel's. Just spray few of them and that's it. I'm using this moisturizer from Pond's. It's super light and very hydrating. Now I'm correcting my face and I'm taking this orange corrector from the palette from the brand called Inside. With the help of sponge, I'll be quickly dabbing this on my entire face. Now concealer from the brand Bobbi Brown, and I will be concealing my eyes, my cupid's bow. Now with the help of a sponge, I'll be just dabbing it off. Now I'm using this foundation stick from the brand called Sugar, and I'll be dotting it on my face and neck. With the help of PAC foundation brush, I'll be quickly I'm using this setting powder from the brand called Sugar. Now I'll be starting my eyebrows. I will be just giving a slight touch, not too much, because I don't like to do the eyebrows or make it fake. I just prefer natural eyebrows. In my all videos, I have never overdone it because I really don't like doing my eyebrows and making it more thicker. Just giving and filling it and giving an appropriate proper shape. That's it. Now I'm taking this painting palette from the brand called You Can Be by Ethna. First I'll be drawing a border using the black color. So now I'll be taking the yellow color from my palette and I'll be putting this in the center. Now take the green color. Now the blue one. Then the purple. And the magenta pink. Now the orange, the red, pink, I'm using my fingers to put this entire color. You can even use the brush. Now I'll be drawing a white border close to my black outline. Now I'm using this eyeliner from the brand called Maybelline and I'll be quickly drawing an outline. Now the mascara from the brand called iTex Dazzler. And I'm using this lip pencil from Colorbar. And yes, here we go. It's a very easy to create look for beginners especially. Just try this look out and do let me know in my comment box. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.